Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today is the actually this is the third video that I did.
Look at that.
It's awesome. So today it's actually a good one, but I have a timer up there.
What a stuffy nose.
I can't see it. Oh, right here. Right here. You can't see it. But today I have a guest. But she's sick. I can show her because she's sick. Now, but all the time I always do that. So and it's almost like to okay, I have to leave. I'm sorry guys, but done.